How to measure bearing deflection, adjust, and replace linear bearings using the bearing tester fork and the dial indicator kit. The dial indicator kit is used with the bearing tester fork to measure deflection and determine if the bearings need to be replaced or adjusted. Setting the bearing tension correctly is critical to proper grinding. Bearings that are too tight or too loose will cause poor grind quality. Also, bearings that are too tight will have a substantially shorter lifespan and may damage the shaft. The following 4-step procedure will help you determine if you need to replace or adjust the bearing. Step 1. Remove the bellows if the machine has them installed. Position the dial indicator on the machine grinding head assembly next to the bearing to be tested. Step 2. Insert the bearing testing fork until the fork contacts the wiper bracket or the bearing. Step 3. Place the tip of the dial indicator on the traverse shaft, then zero out the dial indicator. Step 4. Use your hand to press on the end of the bearing tester fork until it contacts the traverse rail. Read the movement on the dial indicator. If the movement exceeds 0.003 of an inch, the bearing needs to be adjusted. Retest the bearing after adjusting the tension. If the bearing does not improve to below 0.003 of an inch, the bearing needs to be replaced. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the tension adjustment screw until the movement is less than 0.003 of an inch. Look for a smooth, uniform motion when sliding the bearing back and forth. Using an Allen wrench, tighten or loosen the tension adjustment screw until the movement is less than 0.003 of an inch. Newer models come equipped with the access hole to the tension adjustment screw, shown here. Older models require the removal of the front and rear dust shields. To replace the bearings, follow this 6-step process. Step 1. Detach the bellows mounting brackets from the carriage, then detach the front and rear shields. Step 2. Remove the screws off of one bearing, 2 on the outside, 1 on the inside. Then slide the bearing off the end of the carriage shaft. Step 3. Insert the new bearing onto the end of the carriage shaft, ensuring the tension adjustment screw is pointing outward. Step 4. Slide the bearing under the carriage and attach with 3 screws. 2 screws on the outside, 1 screw on the inside. Repeat steps 2 through 4 for the other 3 bearings. Step 5. When all bearings are reattached to the carriage, check for the correct bearing tension using the dial indicator kit and the bearing tester fork. The movement of the new bearing should be within 1/1000th of an inch. Step 6. Replace the bellows mounting brackets, then replace the front and rear shields.